ako sa yes! Sa Malaysia. Guys, ako sa Batu Caves and I've heard this been developed already, and then that's why I want to see it again. I've been here like already 4 or 5 times already, so this is my 6th time here in Batu Caves, so let's go. Guys, I'm here at the Batu Caves and look at that stairs. I think it's 400 steps, so let's go do this so that we can see the cave upstairs, mataas. So let's go. Muna siyang Batu Caves is a big Goda. I think they still like under construction, so yes, napasalay construction dari, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna walk that 400 plus. I'm still gonna ask how many steps is that, so but yeah, let's go. Okay, this is it. This is really is it. Let's go, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 16, 17, 85, let's go, 86, 7, 49, 50, 151, 153, 153, 154, 154 guys, and there's still a long way to go. 154, 109, 200 guys, 200 step. Cool. I'm so freaking tired. There's still more. And then makadto na to sa caves. Gihangit na nagjuko. 55. Okay, let's go. Gamay na lang siya guys. Look at. Gamay na lang. 50. What did... I did it. 272 stairs. No, 272 steps up. I don't know how to say it. Oh, wait. This is what you get after the 200 something stairs, and there's another like top there. Let's go. Look at the tower up.